Acknowledging these cycles, your celebration of these cycles, is an important part of aligning yourself with nature, restoring the connections to nature, and aligning your flow to nature's flow. The sun is a tremendous force, and it works its magic not only on Earth and the moon, but on the whole solar system. And the moon reflects the sun's energy and bounces that onto Earth, whether we see it or not. And that is an important part of this book as well. So if you acknowledge and align yourself with the cycles, if you understand the cycles of this world and acknowledge and in any way possible for you, work within them, you will find that your life becomes more harmonious and with greatness. And this includes the seasons. In the southern hemisphere where Karen is, they are going into autumn. And that is a time of release, of ease, that the summer heat is over and the land relaxes and greens again. In the northern hemisphere, this is the time of rebirth, of spring, of awakening from your winter slumbers as such, the quiet time when you rest. And now you are be calling into action.